Today I will be making a automatic dog water feeder. So first I'll take an Arduino Nano, a motor driver, a water pump. In addition, we need a pipe for this, which I have. A 4-digit 7-segment displays with the female to male wires connected to it. Alligator clips with 9 volts, a 9 volts connector. A screwdriver, and a couple more male to male and female to male wires. So let's get started. So first, we will do the portion of the motor driver. So first, you want to take your alligator clips and your positive side, which is red, should go to your 12 volts on your motor driver. And you can screw it in to make it tight so that this doesn't come out. And we will take the black side or the negative side and put it into the GND. Now we will take another male to male wire and we will take that and plug it into the same port of the GND. This will be used later on in the project with the Nano. Great, so now we have both of these in and you can screw this in. Now we can take one last wire and plug it into the 5 volts of your motor driver. So now we have 2 freestanding wires. You can take your GND, or your black one in my case, and put it onto the GND of your Arduino Nano. And take your 5 volts, in my case is green, and put it into the 5 volts of your Arduino Nano. So now, as you can see, I already have the motor or water pump attached to the motor driver. You want to put the negative to the out one and positive to the out two. Now I will take 3 male to male wires, or female to male wires, and plug them in. First, we'll put this in ENA, ENA, ion 1, and ion 2. There are 3 pins that are being used right now, in which 3 of them are not being used. Ion 2, ion 1, and ENA are all being used. However, ion 3, ion 4, and ENB are not being used. The rest of these 3 pins would control this side for another motor. This motor driver can connect up to 2 different motors. So now that we have this, on my code, it seems that we have ENA as, we have ENA as 2. So we will take our ENA wire and put it to digital pin 2, just on this side. And we will take our ion 1. So we'll go to digital pin 3. The ion 1 should go to digital pin 4. Ion 3 can go, or ion 2 can go to digital pin 5. Now we are ready to add the 4-digit 7-segment display. This is not necessary, but you can have this if you want. So first, once you flip this over, you can see there are various pins in the back: clock, DIO, VCC, and GND. You want to take your GND and plug it into the GND of your Arduino Nano. GND is located on both sides. You can locate it here and on the other side in which I put it in. I'm gonna put it on this side first. So now that we have our GND plugged in, we can take our VCC wire, which is 5 volts, and we can plug it in to the 5 volts of our Arduino Nano. Now we can take our clock and DIO pins, and we can plug, on my code I have clock as 12 and DIO as 13. Oops, I just pulled it out. So clock can go to digital pin 12, which is right there. And DIO can go to pin 13. Great, now we have finished all of the connections for the Arduino. Now we can take our computer and upload the code to this. So we will need our Arduino wire, which is right here. And we can connect this to our computer, and it will work. So I've already uploaded the code, so I will just plug it into this battery pack. But first we shall take our 9-volt battery and plug the alligator clip 9 volts into the 9 volts of this. This will already power on everything. As you can see, everything is powered on already. But you need your extra power from your battery so that this motor, this water pump, will actually drive. So once this timer is completely done at 13:12, now there's only 10 seconds left, the water pump will start to activate. And you can hear the slight buzz of this, and I put it on for 5 seconds. So now the clock will reset, and this will go again in 30 seconds. You can make this go for however long you need. So yes, now I will show you a demonstration with my dog and how it should be used in real life. So as you can see, we have our entire setup back downstairs here with the 7-segment 4-digit display, the motor driver, and I added a rock with tape in water so that the water pump would stay down and not float back up. And as you can see, there's a pipe from here that flows down into the dog's bowl. Probably move this just a little bit. Now that this is done, we are ready to start. So I just plugged everything in, and as you can see now, there's a timer here for 30 seconds. And once this timer is done, the water feeder will activate. And there you go, and your water is now going into the dog's bowl. And the water is draining from the bowl, as you guys can see. So yes, this timer will keep on resetting itself until either the battery dies or I tell it to stop. So you can set this timer to go for longer. And I currently ordered a Bluetooth device, so stay tuned to see how this will work with the Bluetooth device so you can control it on and off through your phone. Thanks for watching.